When Nvidia reports third-quarter results on Tuesday, analysts are expecting to see revenue growth of over 170%. If that's not astounding enough, the company's forecast for the fourth quarter, according to LSEG estimates, is likely to show an even bigger number, almost 200% growth. Heading into the Thanksgiving holiday, Wall Street will be closely scrutinizing the company that's been at the heart of this year's artificial intelligence boom. Nvidia's stock price has ballooned 237% in 2023, far outpacing any other member of the S&P 500. Its market cap now sits at $1.2 trillion, well above Meta or Tesla. Any indication on the earnings call that generative AI enthusiasm is cooling, or that some big customers are moving over to AMD's processors, or that China restrictions are having a detrimental effect on the business could spell trouble for a stock that's been on such a tear. Expectations are high leading into NVDA's FQ3 FY24 earnings call on NOV21, Bank of America analysts wrote in a report last week. They have a buy rating on the stock and said they expect a beat-raise. However, they flagged China restrictions and competitive concerns as two issues that will capture investor attention. In particular, the emergence of AMD in the generative AI market presents a new dynamic for Nvidia, which has mostly had the AI graphics processing unit (GPU) market to itself. AMD CEO Lisa Su said late last month that the company expects GPU revenue of about $400 million during the fourth quarter, and more than $2 billion in 2024. The company said in June that the MI300X, its most advanced GPU for AI, would start shipping to some customers this year. Nvidia is still by far the market leader in GPUs for AI, but high prices are an issue. NVDA needs to forcefully counter the narrative its products are too expensive for generative AI inference, the Bank of America analysts wrote. Last week, Nvidia unveiled the H200, a GPU designed for training and deploying the kinds of AI models that are powering the generative AI explosion, allowing companies to develop smarter chatbots and convert simple text into creative graphical designs. The new GPU is an upgrade from the H100, the chip OpenAI used to train its most advanced large language model, GPT-4 Turbo. H100 chips cost between $25,000 and $40,000, according to an estimate from Raymond James, and thousands of them working together are needed to create the biggest models in a process called training. The H100 chips are part of Nvidia's data center group, which saw revenue in the second quarter surge 171% to $10.32 billion. That accounted for about three-quarters of Nvidia's total revenue. For the third quarter, analysts expect data center growth to almost quadruple to $13.02 billion from $3.83 billion a year earlier, according to FactSet. Total revenue is expected to rise 172% to $16.2 billion, according to analysts surveyed by LSEG, formerly Refinitiv.